Football from Yard, the People's Channel.
Greetings, Football from Yard Massive. The Reggae Girls continue their journey in Monterrey, Mexico, as they seek to earn a place in the 2023 World Cup. After dispatching host nation Mexico, next on the agenda is the United States of America, the number one ranked team in the world. The USA opened their tournament with a 3-0 win over Haiti. The betting odds may favor the USA, but the Haitian team did expose some underlying frailties in the US team. They are currently going through a transition period where they're phasing out the older generation and bringing in a new crop of players. The USA, led by coach Vlatko Andonovski, uses a 4-3-3 formation and quickly advances the ball to wide positions where wingers Mallory Pugh, Sophia Smith and Midge Purse create opportunities, which striker Alex Morgan capitalizes on. Morgan knows how to find space in the box and is a lethal finisher. Jamaica's central defensive duo, the Swaby sisters, will have to be aware of Morgan's presence at all times. Similarly, the team will have to be on the lookout for two more advanced central midfielders, as they tend to quickly push to the edge of the box, waiting for the second ball, especially the energetic Rose Lavelle. The wingbacks readily provide support to the wingers, but their secondary approach is to tuck in closer to the central defender, allowing the central midfielders to go wide. The USA are most dangerous in attacking end-to-end encounters where the attacking trio has a lot of space to operate. Where the USA has struggled is against teams in a low defensive block that remain compact. At that point, their attack tends to become predictable. The wingers, Pooh, Smith and Purse are dangerous, but turn over the ball with greater frequency than their predecessors. Those turnovers expose the USA's primary vulnerability, the lack of pace of a few key players. Central defender Becky Saubrun is 37 years old and found it difficult to keep up with the Haitian attackers in isolation. Right back Kelly O'Hara had similar struggles when isolated. Against Mexico, Jamaica was at its most effective when counter-attacking, with 20-year-old speedster Jody Brown and Khadija Bonishaw causing problems. If Brown in particular catches the USA backline playing too high, they will not catch her when she hits top gear. A route to an upset will likely involve Brown converting such a play into a goal. The USA does have a strong bench, so the coach could tweak personnel, despite indicating that his starting lineup from the Haiti game will play the majority of minutes in the tournament. On the defensive end, the US aggressively presses their opponent to win back the ball. Their weak link, however, in the press is central midfielder Lindsay Holland. Holland, who is clearly hampered by her knee, can't accelerate or change direction with the quickness her teammates can. If she plays again in this game, the Jamaican player who is closest to her will likely have the most comfort on the ball and the greatest ability to break the press. Jamaica's coach, Lauren Donaldson, is a stalwart in the American coaching system and has produced many top-notch American players, including the USA's starting wingers. He knows their players as well as any other coach and is ideally suited to formulate a plan of attack. Donaldson was slow to make changes in the last match, but this game may require changes early since the USA has a couple live wires on the bench, including the creative Ashley Sanchez. In previous encounters with the US, Jamaica's lineups were filled with bright-eyed youngsters, just starting to learn their craft. Now, a number of those youngsters are full-grown professionals in some of the best leagues in the world. They have been further bolstered by the addition of professionals such as Drew Spence. This crop certainly has a better chance to pull off the upset than any Jamaican team in the past, especially if they're able to turn half chances into goals. Since a lot of eyes watch the USA women's team, this is an opportunity for the Reggae Girls to spoil the party and announce their presence to the world. Respect once more. Linkage next time.